Namaste. Welcome to our day 19 of 30 days yoga challenge. Let's start with standing. Your feet about hip wide open. Bring your hands onto your waist. Look forward. Breathe, inhale. Remember the foundation posture where your feet are pressed on the ground. Your toes are spreading. Your heels are pressing down. You have a bandha. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and inhale. And as you exhale, bend forward, bringing your chest forward first, head following. Then reach your hands onto your knees and walk your hands down to the shin bone, to the ankles, to the feet, if you can, or you can keep your hands onto your shin bone, or if you can bring your hands onto the ground, go ahead, whichever feels the best. Interlock your hands and hang there. Then rock to the side. Stretching your back and spine. And then let go of the hands and come back one vertebra at a time. Roll your shoulders up, back and down. Open your leg about 1 meter 10 centimeter or slightly less, depends on your length. Bring your hands onto your waist. Inhale. Bring your right arm up. As you exhale, bend forward. Again, extending your chest out. Bring the hand onto your shin bone. Balance. Good. And reach another hand also out and see if you can touch the ground. If you can't touch the ground, you can keep the block here and place your hand onto the block. If you can't touch the ground, go ahead. Or if you don't have block, you can keep your hand onto your shin bone like this. Good. Then interlock your fingers on the back and try to bring your hands towards the ground. Inhale, come back. Exhale. Press your hands down, chest up. Exhale, release. Change your leg. Hands on the waist, inhale. As you exhale, bring your left arm down towards the shin bone or knee. And walk down. Hold it there. Then reach another hand, see if you can touch the ground or onto the block or onto the shin bone. Interlock your fingers on the back. Bring the hands towards the ground. Back to the center. Push your hands towards the ground, chest up. Back to the center. Shake your leg. And again, balance onto the right foot. Bring the hands to the side. Come onto the right foot. And as you exhale, bend forward and bring your left leg back. You can go near the wall if you need extra balance, or try without. That way your balance will be built. Good. Exhale, release. Change the side. Comes to the shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Back. Shake your leg. Then interlock your fingers. Roll your shoulders to relax your shoulders if you build any tension there. And sit in squatting. Bring your palm on the ground for a crow. And lift your hips up. Knee comes behind your upper arms. Then go forward, backward. Today, beginners can keep going forward and backward. Intermediate can lift one leg at a time. Give more pressure to your upper arms, the wrist, to build the muscle and be able to do the crow. And advanced can go into full crow. Gently come back. Sit onto your hips. Stretch your legs out. Bend your right knee by the side of the left knee. Hold with your left hand. Right hand goes on the back. As you inhale, lift your chest up. As you exhale, twist to the right. Back to the center, change the side, grab with your right hand, left hand on the back, inhale, as you exhale, twist to the left. Stretch legs out. Bring the hand on the side and bend forward slightly. It's kind of sitting in Dandasana, except bending forward slightly with your chest. Bring your chest forward. Okay, come back. Stretch your legs. Lie down for at least 30 seconds before we continue with our daily routine. If you have time longer, you can go ahead, rest for longer time. And whenever you're ready, gently sit up. You can always become aware how your mind and body becomes after this 5 to 10 minute yoga practice, and how your whole day changes and becomes more effective by doing this. Give thanks and prayer pose. Namaste.